In Timeslips 2013, date custom fields have been enhanced to allow relative dates to be applied. In prior versions, relative dates were not possible when creating date type custom fields. Relative date type custom fields may be helpful when used with the electronic billing feature, wherever a user may want to set a relative start and end date custom field to help minimize the time spent on billing customers that require electronic billing formats. Let's take a look at how to set a relative date custom field. Navigate to your main Timeslips toolbar and look for Setup Custom Fields. If you have existing date custom fields that you would like to convert to a relative type, simply open the existing field and mark the last option labeled Relative and click OK. If you would like to create a new relative type custom field, simply click on the New button and choose Date. Give your field a name, choose Relative at the bottom, and click OK. When you click OK on your custom field dialog window, a brief field conversion will take place. Depending on how many clients you have in your database, this could take a few seconds up to a few minutes. Let's see the new custom field in action. Let's open up a client and choose the Custom tab. The date field looks just as it always has. However, when you click on the Calendar Edit button, you will see a new Relative tab. Here, the relative options look familiar, much like what you would see in bill generation dates, where you can establish a relative range that you choose. Some final thoughts to keep in mind when using the relative date custom fields. If you have a large client list, then the date type conversion could take up to a few minutes to complete when closing the list. And finally, when using relative date custom fields, you can still filter by relative date custom fields on reports and bills. However, you will no longer be able to sort by relative date custom fields. If you require sorting by date type custom fields, then you will need to convert your fields back to standard date type custom fields.